Kani kadai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasha pi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Banyakon nak benta ke Hok Jong Nonghikai School Adhoc, kibahikai hakaleng ki benta Jong ni ke jela Meghalaya. Nalor ki Seng ki balan lupa, menta lami part sakawai ke Seng ke Thymmai, hak bagi dikhot ki dei betek tang ki Nonghikai Jong ki Adhoc School. Ya ke balatep kom ka Federation of All School Teachers of Meghalaya. Ya ke ba ontep lengkot ru kom ka fastom. Ya ke ni ke Seng la Seng hak katsau terek unai lor menta usnam arjar kat khandai. Hapo ke jingelam jong ba Kenneth Shadab kom president bat ikong BCM kom ka general secretary. Hak ni ke Seng ki dikhot ki don nyo hajar prapu arngot baro. Na baro ke ke jela na ki palat khat pras pa tli ki school Adhoc. Hak jingkendo bat kinong pathai kubor hak arpu pra terek menta unai wing arjar kat khandai hasilong press club. Kene ke Seng kalai tho ba ka norem he bala Seng ye ka Federation of All School Teachers of Meghalaya fastom. Kadai halor ki khasan tli ki nongrem trekam. Kentop nadu ka jing penjanai ya ka rukom hikai ki khana haki skol ka bha kamiat jo ki Nonghikai School Adhoc bat ka wei hi ka ba khom kongsan e kadai ka jing dawa na ka sarkar ban kentiu kardan no ya ki Adhoc school sya ki deficit school.
Now onwards, we will approach the state government, we will approach the union government in the name of FASTOM. And we just want to inform you also that actually from now onwards, any teachers organization who want to register, they should get NOC from the director of the education department. And from our side also, we have given a letter requesting for an NOC. So we have submitted our letter last 2 weeks, but we have not yet received the reply. So after we receive the NOC from the director, then we will complete our registration. So we have already drafted a bylaw of the federation also. So the federation is already here. So the main aims and objectives is number 1, to eradicate poverty, illiteracy, ignorance and backwardness in the society through education. Number 2, to impart education to the people from the grassroots level and build a strong and good foundation of education. Number 3, to promote fraternity and cooperation among the people irrespective of caste, creed, religion, etc. Number 4, to root out all kinds of bad habits and practices and impart to the children the good moral behavior so as to make them good and profitable citizens of the future. Number 5, to strive for the welfare of the students, the teachers, the schools and the society as a whole. Number 6, to fight for the welfare of teachers and demand from the government for equal pay for equal work, medical reimbursement, pension, retirement benefit, etc. Number 7, to examine and check the syllabus and curriculum from time to time. Number 8, to demand from the state government to constitute an education commission for the benefit of all. Number 9, to remind the government for improvement of the school infrastructure in the whole state of Meghalaya. Number 10, to cooperate with the government whenever it introduces good programs and policies for the betterment of education. Number 11, to insist the government to provide in-service training for the untrained teachers. Number 12, to organize and hold debates and competitions for students and to award prizes, certificate and assess successful candidates in the higher studies, especially for the underprivileged students. Number 13, to fight against anti-social elements like corruption, rapes, drugs, and render full cooperation to the government in all matters relating to the good and clean administration in the village, town, and state as a whole. Number 14, to establish important vocational training centers, homestay, schools, and adult education for spreading education among the illiterate and semi-illiterate. Number 15, to encourage the people to adopt organic and new method of cultivation, rearing of domestic animals, and to promote scientific method of cultivation and plantation of trees for the protection of environment, etc. They will concentrate on different subject matter. So that is why I have given in written also to the CM also, Education Minister also regarding and to establish a education commission in the state, because you will see there are so many problems arises in the education department, and if you go to education minister also, he cannot solve the problem, and if you go to the director also, they cannot solve. So in many times they have to go to high court. So if having an education commission, it will help to escape from going to high court. The commission will try to tackle as much as possible all these problems. And through this commission also, if there are efficient members, they can give suggestion to the government also time to time. It is very important actually to have a commission, education commission in the state, but provided there should be efficient members, qualified members with knowledge of education, so that they can promote the whole education system in the whole state of Meghalaya. Because if you know, there are so much drawback in the education system in Meghalaya. That is why from time to time, recently also, there are so many complaints. There are no full-fledged in charge in subdivision with no financial power. Complaint I got from Tura, William Nagar, Dadengiri, Nonghikai. So I have given in written. They don't have full-fledged officer there. So with no financial power. But I met the education minister, I handed him the letter, so he told me that they have appointed full-fledged officer. So he told me it may take 1 week, 2 weeks. As you know, till today there are so many who are not getting salary, because those officers, they are not full-fledged officers with no financial power. That is why the salary of the teachers delayed for 3 months, 4 months. That is the main problem. So if there is an education commission, I don't think all these small issues will arise too. And if there is an education commission, so they should, even from the teachers federation also, some members should be there, so that will help the government how to suggest how to improve the education in the whole state of Meghalaya.